Hello, good morning students. As you know, in last lecture, we just skip example number 9, okay, because data is taken from somewhere else. So now today, first of all, we go through example number 9 and then exercise 15.1. In this lesson, exercise and example, many questions, data is taken from chapter number 14, statistics. Okay, so we have to go that particular page. They have given somewhere table number, somewhere example number, question number. Okay, so accordingly, you have to go to lesson number 14. So in sometimes answer of that particular question from lesson number 14 is used. So we have to go at answer pages of lesson number 14 also. Okay, because we so far not solved lesson number 14. So we directly go to answer page given at the back of the textbook. Okay, now just look at example number 9. Consider the frequency distribution table 14.3 example 4 chapter 14, which give the weight of 38 students of a class. Okay, so that is given directly. Now what to find the probability that the weight of a student in the class lies in the interval 46 to 50. Give two events in this context, one having probability 0 and the other having probability 1. So first of all, we have to look at that table. Now look at that. That's taken from lesson number 14. Weight is given and number of students given. Okay, so that is the table. So what is the meaning of table? The students whose weight is from 31 to 35 are 9 students, and 5 students are those types of whose weight is 36 kilogram to 40 kilogram. 14 students weight is 41 kilogram to 45, whether it is 40, 41.5, 42, whatever may be, but up to 41 to 45. Okay, so that is the table. Now look again what they are asking in first one. Find the probability that the weight of a student in the class lies in the interval 46 to 50 kilogram. 46 to 50. So look here. 46 to 50. How many students? 3. And total student 38. Everything is given. Okay. So obviously what to give answer, that is very simple. 3 upon 38. That is our answer. Why? Because favorable outcomes means number of students whose weight is 46 to 50 are 3 and total number of 38. Okay, so how to write that you know. So in today's lecture I only giving hint in each and every questions. Writing pattern we already discussed and I already shown by writing also. Okay, so you just understand. So now first one's answer will be 3 upon 38. Okay, now look their solution. The total number of students is 38 and number of students with weight in the interval 46 to 50 is 3. Means favorable outcomes 3 and total outcomes 38. So P, weight of a student is in the intervals. If you don't want to write this way, then first of all you have to suppose event A. So that we will write P of A equal to 3 upon 38. But I insist, don't give your answer in this type of cases into decimal form. Okay, so be careful, don't waste your time. Okay, so you understand, nothing is difficult. How to write? I just speak that lines you have to write. First of all, I can write, let A be the event that. Let A be the event that. Then I will copy from the question only. Look at number 1. The weight of a student in the class lies in the interval 46 to 50 kilogram. Okay, so I just copied from the question only. Whatever later after probability that. Okay, that should be in inverted comma. So I again telling, let A be the event that in inverted comma the weight of a student in the class lies in the interval 46 to 50 kilogram. Now second step. Number of favorable outcomes equal to 3. Total number of outcomes equal to 38. Otherwise, you can write number of students whose weight in 46 to 50 is 3 and total of number of student is 38. Okay, either you can write by general language, otherwise specific language. Now P of A equal to M upon N, 3 upon 38. So that is our answer. Now look at second question. Give two events in this context, one having probability 0 and the other having probability 1. So again look at table. Now weight start from 31 and maximum is 75. Okay, so accordingly you can make your question. We have to form question, not give answer. Okay, so accordingly you can form question like this. Look there. For instance, consider the event that a student weight 30 kilogram. Since no student has this weight, the probability of occurrence of this event is 0. Similarly, the probability of student weighing more than 30 kilogram is 1. So look again. No student having weight 30 kilogram. Why? Because minimum weight is 31 kilogram. So if you make any question like that the selected student having weight 30 kilogram, then that event having probability obviously 0. Why? Because no student is there. And if you say student having weight more than 30 kilogram, student having weight more than 30 kilogram, then obviously all student will come as a favorable. Okay, so answer will be 38 upon 38. Okay, so answer is written. You just look at event that a student weighs 30 kilogram. So that is the one event. Obviously probability is 0, impossible event. And look at last statement. Student weighing more than 30 kilogram. So all students come in this criteria. Okay, so probability will be 1, means that is a certain or sure event. Okay, so you understand. Second question is quite different. They have asked to form only question, not answer. Okay. Now look at exercise 15.1. If you know, we already solved question number 1 and 2 in previous session. Now look at number 3. Refer to example 5, section 14.4, chapter 14. Okay, find the probability that a student of the class was born in August. So we have to find probability that selected student born in August only. So again we go to that topic, example number 5. That is the example number 5. That graph is given already. What is it actually there? In a particular section, class 9, 40 students were asked about the month of their birth, and the following graph was prepared for the data so obtained. Now look at graph. We interested in August only. How many students in August? 6 students. You just look at height of the bar, height of that bar. That is bar diagram or bar graph. Okay. So in August, I can say 6 students born in August month. Okay. Now remaining all month, you can say how many students born in particular month. But now we are interested in August month only. So obviously answer will be 6 upon 40. Answer will be 6 upon 40. Okay. So you understand. Again look at question. What is asked? Question number 3. Find the probability that a student of the class was born in August. Okay. So obviously its answer will be 6 upon 40, because 40 students are total, that is given in question only in first line. In 6 students born in August, we derive that information from the graph only. So our answer will be 6 upon 40. So 3 upon 20. Okay, that is our final answer. We never convert our answer in decimal. Sometimes only whenever denominator having 10, 100, 1000, 2, 5. Okay, if that types of number are there, then only we convert in decimal form. This is very simple sum, that is. Okay, can be asked for 2 marks only. Question is wrong, but question is long, but solution is very short. Okay, Now again go at exercise 15.1. Look at number 4. Three coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of the different outcomes. If you toss three coins at a time, then there may be three results we obtain at a time. Either all coins having tail, all coins having head, otherwise two coins having tail and one coins having head, otherwise two coins having head and one having tail. Okay, so different outcomes we can obtain. So result is given here. Okay, three heads. So 23 times we obtain three heads. 72 times two heads obtained, means two head and one tail, remaining obviously tail, and 77 times one head obtained. So only one coin having head and remaining two will be having tail only. No head. No head means what? All coins having tail only. Okay. So means in context of head only they given us information. Now, you now don't go so deep. You just look at the particular number and total number. That is enough. Okay. Denominator will be 200. That is fixed in all sub questions. Now what is asked? If three coins are simultaneously tossed again, compute the probability of two head coming up. Two head coming up. So how many times it occurs? 72 times. So obviously answer will be 72 upon 100. Answer will be 72 upon 100. Don't write 2 upon 200. Okay, sorry, answer is 72 upon 200. 72 upon 200 means 36 upon 100. So you can write 0.36 also. Anyway, you just simplify it. You now just understand 72 is numerator and 200 in denominator. But I am telling many students write 2 in numerator. 2 is not to write in numerator. That is for understanding only. Okay, how many heads? 2 heads. How many times it occurs? 72 times. So we have to take 72. Okay. So 72 upon 200 will be answer. You will cancel and cutting and get answer in simplest fraction. Okay. That is not difficult. So only one question is asked. How to write that you know. Okay. So I am not telling that in each and every question. Now, next number 5. Actually, that is incomplete. Remaining question given in next page also. An organization selected 2400 families. So total 2400 families are there, and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and number of vehicles in a family. So two matters are being considered at a time. 2 points are considered at a time. First point or first criteria is income, and second criteria is number of vehicles per family. Okay, so that its table will be multi-layer. We already gone through these types of table in example also. Okay, even then look here, that is the table. Information gathered is listed, means 2400 families information is given in the table. Two criteria are considered. One is income and another one is number of vehicles per family, not individual. Okay, so just understand question. There are 5 income group. Less than 7000 income, 7,000 to 10,000, 10 to 13,000, 13 to 60,000, and more than 60,000. Vehicles, either no vehicle, otherwise one vehicle, otherwise two vehicle, otherwise more than two vehicles. Okay, now according to question you have to pick out particular number. Okay, so look at first one. Denominator will be 2400 fixed. Why? It is given. Denominator will be 2400 fixed. Why? That is given. 2400 families at random are surveyed. So 2400 families surveys there. So denominator is fixed 2400. Now look at first one. Earning 10 to 13,000 per month. So you understand, we have to look at third line only, third line of the table, because income group is 10 to 13,000. Now in which column? Owning exactly two vehicles. So in third row, third column, third row, third column, two vehicles only. So 29 families are there. So 29 families having income group 10 to 13,000 and exactly two vehicles. So obviously our numerator will be 29. So answer will be 29 upon 2400. No cancellation is possible because 29 is a prime number. So that will be only answer. You understood? Why? Look just question and table. In question, particular income group and particular vehicle is specified. So, particular income group means third row and particular vehicle means third column. So, 29 families are of these types. Now look at next one. Earning 16,000 or more means last row, last line. In owning exactly one vehicle, So obviously in last row, second column, last row means horizontal, column means vertical, last row, second column. So 579 will be there. So 579 families having one vehicle and income is 16,000 or more. So answer will be 579 upon 2400. 2400 is given in previous page. Now look at third one. Earning less than 7,000 means first row and does not own any vehicle. Does not own any vehicle means zero vehicle. So obviously 10 families are there. Less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle. So 10 upon 2400. 0 cancel out. So 1 upon 240 will be answer. 4 number, earning 13 to 16,000. So fourth row, 13 to 16,000 per month and owning more than two vehicles. More than two vehicle means either two vehicle or more than two vehicle. So 59 plus 25, 84. 84. Again look there, more than two vehicles. So you have to consider third column as well as fourth column also. Two vehicle as well as above two vehicles. Okay, row is fixed, fourth row. I am talking about question number, sub question number 4. So in fourth row, 59 as well as 25. Both numbers we have to take. So answer will be 84 upon 2400. Okay, cancellation will be possible, might be cancelled by 4. Okay, you just look and give your final answer and look at the back page of the textbook also. Answer your verify your answers. Okay, right now only understand. Now last, owning not more than one vehicle. Owning not more than one vehicle. Not more than one vehicles means no two vehicle, no above two vehicle. But here you can mark one thing, no income is given. So all income group we have to take. Income group is not specified. So we have to take all income group means all rows. And which columns? Row all. How many columns? So first column as well as second columns. Why? Because they are telling owning not more than one vehicle. Not more than one vehicle means either one vehicle, otherwise zero vehicle. So you have to make total of first whole column and second whole column. And what will you get? the total of all these numbers will come in numerator. Denominator is fixed. So you have to add 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579. Whatever total you get, it will be placed in numerator. Denominator will be 2400. Why? Again I am telling, not having more than one vehicle. Not more than one means either 1 or 0. So take first column and second column whole. Why? Income group is not specified, so we have to consider all income groups there. So total of all observations. So 5 plus 5, 10 observations total you have to make first of all. Okay. So first of all make total and then give answer. Orally it is not possible. Okay, so you will do it. Now look at number 6. Table 14.7, chapter 14. Find the probability that a student obtained less than 20% marks in mathematics test. Less than 20% marks in mathematics test. And find the probability that student obtained marks 60 or above. Less than 20% marks and 60 or above marks. In first one percentage given, in second one marks given. Now we just go there. Table 14.7. Okay, this is table 14.7. Okay, what is given? Look there. Teacher wanted to analyze the performance of two sections of students in an academic test of 100 marks. So 100 marks test is taken. Okay. Now, looking at their performance, she found that a few students got under 20 marks and a few got 70 marks or above. So, she decided to group them into interval of varying size. That is not now topic for us because that is the topic of lesson number 14. Now just look at the table. Actually, how many students total? 100. Sorry, 100 marks test. Total 90 students. That is given. 90 students are there and you just understand that table. 7 students obtained marks from 0 to 20. 10 students obtained marks from 20 to 30. So you got it. Now 100 marks paper is there. So whether they ask in percentage or marks, both are same. 20% means 20 marks only. Okay. So don't confuse by percentage because percentage is itself equal to marks. Why? 100 marks paper is there. If you obtain 69 marks from in 100 marks paper, then obviously your marks 69 and percentage also 69. Okay, so don't confuse by that. So that is the table. Now again in first one they are asking question number 6 first, less than 20% means less than 20 marks. Less than 20% means less than 20 marks. In second one 60 or above. Okay, so less than 20. So 7 students are there. Less than 20 means 7 students are there. Okay, so 7 upon 90 will be answer. Okay, and if any student got exactly 20 marks, understand this point well. If any student got exactly 20 marks, then he or she will not be included in first group. He will be included in second group. Okay, so understand that upper limit is not included in particular group. So 20 marks comes in second group, 30 marks group in third group only, not second group. Okay, so understand that guys, because 2 plus 20, 2 plus 30 are seen there, but upper boundary means right side boundary is not included. That is written for only parity. Okay, so here less than 20% or less than 20 marks. How many students got? 7 students. answer will be 7 upon 90. Okay. In second question, they ask 60 or above. 60 or above. So how many students are there? 15 plus 8, 23. So 23 students got 60 or above 60 marks. Okay, so second one's answer will be 23 upon 90. Again 60 or above 60 means last two classes, last two row. So 15 as well as 8. So 15 plus 8, 23. So answer will be 23 upon 90. 23 itself is a prime number. Okay, so that will be our final answer. No cancellation or cutting will be possible. Okay, so understand, just understand question and then look at data only. Then nothing is difficult. Now look at number 7. To know the opinion of the student about the subject statistics, a survey of 200 students was conducted. The data is recorded in the following table. Now 200 total students are there. What about them? Whether they like particular subject. Statistics is a one subject. Right now we have one lesson only, but in 11 and 12 commerce and in college level, statistics is a one independent subject also. That is a branch of mathematics. Okay, so how many students like statistics and how many dislike it? So that is given. Now it is very simple. Find the probability that a student chosen at random likes statistics, does not like it. Either like or does not like. So look there, very simple it is. First answer will be 135 upon 200. Okay, you will get it in simplest fraction after cutting. Second one's answer will be 65 upon 200. Why? That is only us. Students chosen at random like statistics. So how many students like statistics? 135. How many total students? 200. So answer will be 135 upon 200. In second one, does not like means dislike. So how many students dislike statistics? 65. Total number of students 200. So answer will be 65 upon 200. Okay. So very simple, that is also. So now students, we cover and discuss 5 questions, because from 3 to 7. 5 questions from exercise and 1 example. The total 6 sums we already discussed. Total 6 sums we already discussed. Okay. So that all 6 sums, including 1 example and 5 sums. Question 3, question 4, question 5, question 6 and question 7. So total 6 sums in homework up to 7. 3 to 7 in example number 9. Now we in lesson number 13 as well as lesson number 15 also, I told you, you write your homework first of all in homework book, means separate book. Then you have to write that same question or same solution in your fair book. So your fair book should be completed parallel. Parallel means today's work only be written today only. Okay, don't write all the homework on the same day. Okay, means whole lesson on the same day. Only today's work today you have to write in the fair book also. So you understand, fair book you have to prepare regularly, and homework should be done separately first of all, because directly you cannot write in the fair book. Okay, so I will ask your parents also after completion of this lesson whether your 13 numbers and 15 numbers fair book is ready or not. In 13 number I have not told to write examples in fair book. So no need to write examples in fair book in lesson number 13. But in lesson number 15 you have to write example also in fair book. So you understand, whatever I tell you, according to that only you have to write in your fair book. Okay. So you understand today's homework also. Okay, and remaining all question from 8 to last one we will discuss tomorrow only. Okay, thank you.